Raeigen.
Right, like, right.
All right. All right, get the camera for just start. There it goes. I got it. Good morning, everyone. Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Raeigen, Evans. While court is in session, please keep your backgrounds quiet and clear. Sit back, wait for your name to be called. Also, if you're in a vehicle, there is no driving while court is in session. Also, there'll be no talking, eating, drinking, gum, chewing, walking around, or smoking of any kind. And please remain properly dressed at all times. Thank you. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Judge. All right, this is the people versus Jeffrey Rodriguez, ticket number Z 808-661. Count one, operating while intoxicated, first offense. Good morning, please take your name for the record.
Jeffrey Rodriguez.
Good morning, Your Honor. Kyle Dupuy for Mr. Rodriguez.
All right, there is an offer of operating while visibly impaired. Oh, let me bring out the officers. Give me 1 second. Let me go. I can't. One officer, for some reason, I can't get him out. So let me go in there and tell him to come out. Oh, you know what, that didn't help. Because he can't hear me, so never mind. Let me leave the room. Officer Tanaj, can you go back in the breakout room and get Officer or Investigator Brown to tell him to come out? You're muted, sir.
Yes, I can do that. Can you please put me back on the waiting
You
room?
should be able to, if you tap your screen, you should be able to rejoin that room. Oh, no, he's out. Never mind. Okay, so Officer Tanaj, can you say your name for the record, sir?
Yes, ma'am. I'm Investigator Zachary Brown, badge 135, and I work for the Wayne State University Police Department.
And good morning, Your Honor. Good morning, counsel. Good morning, officers. Tamika Horn on behalf of the city of Detroit, P70303. I think we have one more officer present. Go ahead, Officer Kerrigan. Officer Kerrigan, you want to say your name for the record?
Good morning, Officer Matthew Kerrigan, badge 120, Wayne State University Police Department.
I think Officer Tanaj, you stated your name, correct?
Officer Julian Tinai with Wayne State University Police Department.
All right, as indicated, there is an offer of operating while visibly impaired. This is set for trial. Mr. Dupuy, how does your client wish to proceed?
Your Honor, my client would like to accept the offer.
Can you raise your right hand, Mr. Rodriguez? Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
And you can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney in private about your case and your right.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And you understand that by waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue your guilty plea?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to direct your attention to the date of April 28, 2022 at 3:56 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Wayne or Syracuse Street in Grand River in the city of Detroit?
Yes,
And were you driving a vehicle while under the influence of alcohol?
yes,
Are you satisfied, Ms. Horn?
Yes, and I'll add, were you impaired by alcohol while you were operating the vehicle?
yes,
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Mr. Dupuy, you're satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
The court is also satisfied the factual basis will accept the admission, will amend the count to operating while visibly impaired. We do need to come up with a sentencing date, which is about 2 months from today's date, because the court is gonna have to refer you to probation to do a pre-sentence report. So we're gonna set this for December 15th at 8:35. Do you want the phone number, Mr. Dupuy, to the probation department?
Sure.
313-965-3141. I don't know if your client has a pen right now, but you.
Okay.
And Your Honor, Mr. Dupuy, negotiated, I believe, this, offer with my supervising attorney, Shannon Walker. Is that correct, Mr. Dupuy?
That's correct.
And the sentencing recommendation, from what I recall, would be drug court. Was there any other, discussion outside of what I am recalling right now?
Yeah, I don't know that the drug court was necessarily a recommendation. It was an option for Mr. Rodriguez to attempt to keep his CDL, but I believe that any sort, it's irrelevant because I think that goes to the federal level. I don't think that there's any way for him to keep the CDL, so I don't know whether or not he wants to avail himself of the drug court at this point. I guess we can figure it out at sentencing.
Yes, perfect. Yes, we can do that. Thank you. And I just want to be clear, because I know you worked it out with Ms. Walker, which I'm totally fine with. Actually, I don't mind you speaking to the supervisor for better options for your client.
Okay, thank you.
Yep, you're welcome.
All right, so you guys are all set. Good luck, Mr. Rodriguez.
Thank
Your
you.
sentencing date is December 15th at 8:35, sir.
all right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you, Mr. Dupuy. Thank you, officers.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Judge, can I get the volume
Dave.
up a little bit?
Can you turn the volume up?
Oh. Yep.
Get the remote.
Get back to you.
Good name, Indian name, man.
We used to work together, remember?
Girl, yes, I did.
Tamika.
I'll show you in a second. Stacy, are you Stacy Davis?
Yes, ma'am.
You take these two.
Thank
All
you.
right, so Mr. Davis, I'm going to put you in a breakout room. An attorney will be with you soon. Just a heads up, the officers are present for your case. Or the officers.
Okay. Cool.
So you will go into room 13. An attorney should be with you soon.
All right.
I think we're gonna move that. So I got green. Pink, little red. Oh, I do. I need to stop.
Did you get that pleading this morning? I'm sorry, I'm gonna give it to my note, Judge, sorry.
So you emailed.
Mr. Counsel, brother counsel.
Oh.
I gotta read it, so once I leave here, I go upstairs.
You know,
Yeah, so I'll go upstairs and,
it's nothing new.
okay,
It's the exact same issue as.
so I'll go upstairs and we'll come back down. What time should we come down here?
I was hope, well,
I'll monitor it.
yeah, if you could, we talked to jury 10:30, but if you could maybe hopefully do that maybe 5 minutes before, because I don't think it's gonna take very long.
Okay, thank you.
Glad we have Mr. Rowe. I hope we finish today. Like, I hope we finish everything today.
Everything.
Do you think your witnesses will be long?
No, I'll make sure they're not. I like to be quick and simple.
How many more
I don't
minutes?
object.
Madam Prosecutor, how many more?
Chair.
Please. So definitely not less.
Like, me, man.
Yeah.
And you guys will call this client.
Yeah.
So for me, because we can do what we couldn't do. So two at the most, or three of them.
You don't think so?
Oh, yeah. Let's mute.
I don't know. Do we have jury, would we have the jury come in on Friday to come back on?
It's up to you.
Oh, sorry.
It's up to you.
Friday honestly would not be ideal.
Can we,
If nobody there with you. Mr. DeJoy, good morning. Why are you logging in at 9:30 and your 9:35 and your child was scheduled at 9?
I just got off work and I just got in. I end up having to stay over. I work in the factory and sometimes they have me stay over.
Okay.
So I just now I'm getting into the house and I got a 1-year-old. I had to get him settled and get him to his he started daycare with his care classes. So we try to get him integrated with other kids. So I had to get him to class and get him started. And now I'm here. I'm sorry for being late, Your Honor.
All right, I guess your excuse is halfway decent. So I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. The officer is here for your case. So it should be very shortly that an attorney will speak with you.
Yes, ma'am.
You're gonna go in room number 14.
Okay.
He has some good excuses. He was like, I gotta work, I had to be my baby's daycare. I'm like, okay. And it didn't sound major. So it's not like